The modular LED cubes demonstrator shows the design freedom and integration potential of 3D printed electronics. Each cube contains a 5x5 matrix of addressable LEDs and magnetic contacts on its sides. When several cubes are connected, the individual LEDs combine into one continuous and reconfigurable light display. The modular structure allows cubes to be rearranged, and if a module is damaged, it can be easily replaced. The manufacturing process begins with printing silver conductive traces onto the three-dimensional structure using a piezo jet system. Next, conductive adhesive is dispensed for the electrical connections between the printed traces and electronic components. Then, LEDs and capacitors are picked and placed onto the circuit. A component camera is used for position detection to enable precise alignment and accurate placement. The assembled demonstrator functions as decorative lighting with different color patterns flowing seamlessly across multiple connected cubes. Touch sensors allow switching between effects, demonstrating how printed electronics enables interactive three-dimensional products.